Okay, here she is. Got Terrence over there.
Hello, motherfucker.
My new bike. This is the one that came before. So we're going to uncover it and we're going to ride it for the first time to check that it still works. But look at this, hold on. Look at this key. Isn't it pretty?
It's not been easy for me.
Isn't it pretty? I burnt it on the fireplace, that's why it looks like that. Boom. The Honda CB125R. We're going to ride it for the first time. Jesus Christ.
This is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh, get it away from me, man.
It's so weird. I'm like way above the bike. And the handlebars are so wide on those. The handlebars are like kind of sport-esque. Let me turn it on. Okay, battery is still working. Jesus, mate. Why does the brake feel like that? It's like so close. And the clutch is, oh my, wow. The clutch is like nothing, dude. It's like so light. Okay, we're not gonna be able to get out of this. Hold on. I gotta shimmy myself around. Alright, let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. Do you think it's gonna work? I don't know. Let's try. Yo, it's on right up. Wow, that single cylinder sounds good. First gear, okay. The clutch feels actually terrible. I'm not gonna lie, it feels so bad. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's so light. Okay, cable throttle. Oh, mate, it's crazy. I pull the throttle and just nothing happens. Okay. Nothing's happening. Dude, I whack it full throttle and just nothing happens. That's just the way it feels so fucking alive, man. Oh my god. This thing is crazy. Look at that. Full throttle, nothing. It doesn't matter how much throttle you give it, it's just not going to give you anything back. Alright, let's do a launch. Let's do a launch. Dude, it feels so weird. You know what? You might want to look at it now. What it looks like when it's just... That front brake feels cancerous, by the way. Alright. So what she looks like from the front. Actually looks really good for a 125. But now I'm feeling, you know, how cheap it is. And I'm feeling the quality difference between this and the Triumph 660. Alright. Let's go on to the non-mossy part. Let's fucking launch it, mate. Oh yeah! Okay, you know what? It's actually pretty fun, just fucking slamming through the gears. It's actually pretty fun. Okay. Alright, let's turn around. And what I'm gonna do... Fuck me, that was the least graceful thing I've ever done. Do a little slide. Oh, the power just keeps fucking climbing, dude. The power just keeps on climbing. It's crazy. Wait on a second. Bro, I'm just out here fucking going full throttle everywhere, man. It feels so light. It actually feels like it could just topple over at any moment. It feels so incredibly light. It's crazy. Jeez, man. You know, it works fine though. It works completely fine. It's just... Jesus. No power. It's so weird to go full throttle and experience nothing. It's actually so weird. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you, to be honest. She works. Name's Ruby, by the way.
Really, nigga?
Name's Ruby. So yeah, there you go. See ya, I guess. Bye.